Big request to Mr. Patterson. You are truly an hero. I've never endorsed anyone for no party in Jamaica because I don't like politics, but you are truly an hero. I when them say you must go out there because you don't grant no permit. You go out there and go get arrested. How much of them at Jamaica will do that? It's like Marcus Garvey for me. You understand? It's like Bob Marley for me. It's like Malcolm X. It's like Nanny Sham Sharp and Paul Boga. Big up yourself, my brother. Enough respect. You are truly an hero. And big up the people who go out with you too. Them are hero too. The man them sing about gun and shot man and face how much gun them have. I don't see none of them out there. Up move. Every buckle, every cup move. Get up and stand up and fight for your right. The time is now. Don't worry about jail and death. Because man, if you go to jail and man, I go dead anyway. Alright? Up move.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
If you never know who Joseph Patterson is, or the U.I.C, now you know. I'm quite sure by now everybody knows who the U.I.C is. In an attempt to show power the other day, the Jamaica Constabulary Force arrested the U.I.C's president, Mr. Joseph L. Patterson, along with a few other supporters. And people, it kind of backfired because after his arrest, several persons across the diaspora reached out in support of the U.I.C and Mr. Patterson. And the people must say, yo, Joseph Patterson are who we have voted for. Because clearly, this man is the man for the people. As you could hear in the beginning of the video, he is seen as a hero to some. And in that clip where we come, the man has said, yo, Mr. Patterson was sent by God for the people. Jamaicans across the diaspora are support the U.I.C. Listen to what I'm have to say.
Parliament. Remember now in Parliament, when the people them want to demonstrate, they have a right to march to Parliament, right? We still have a Governor General in Jamaica, right? And a Governor General in Jamaica is there to represent Jamaica. So if we're not representing England, right, and we're not representing the Queen, because that's why the whole reason I have a Governor General for take out some of the copy, because right about now, we still follow the old-time colonialism, we're still into it. But we pick out what we want, pick out and take out what we want, take out. Pick out what we want, pick out, yeah? Now, what happened with this man when we see, take away the man because the man demonstrate with the people, right? The U.I.C man, when you take him away, when you disrespect him, when you throw tear gas on him. Now, when we have a look, when the whole world look and everybody look, we never see where this man was doing any form of resistance, That man was cooperated the police them. He cooperated the police them. He never really put up no resistance. So I can't know why we don't have to throw tear gas on him. Why don't have to tear gas him? Because at the end of the day, I don't know what the reason why we use tear gas for. If we know what tear gas is all about. Yeah? Because everybody on the tear gas are the same thing we do with the Rasta girl in her car. On the throw tear gas on her and it's alright and okay if you know. We can go home and sleep with the family and say, yes, we have a good day at work today. How you feel when you go home to the family? Never know. How you actually feel? Now, when we look at me say a big man like this police officer here now, where me call him some old dinosaur, right? Big man like you is there to reinforce the law, yes. They send you, yes. But at the end of the day, your behavior was bad. Because you're the one who in charge. You come and you speak to the people, am all right, fair enough. That sound good and that look good to me. But after you done that now, your boys them still turn around and tear gas the man. Why you do that? Was the man that put up a challenge? What is the reason for use a tear gas? That's something I like to know. What's the reason for using a tear gas? Because it seems like we don't really know the reason for use a tear gas. You know? It seems like we don't get the training. They just give it to you and say use it. But in them country, police do use tear gas as well. You know, but it all depends on unless they command a threat, or them under threat, or them have attack, or is them alone and they can't manage. Right? They will do that to protect themselves. Yeah? But you would have no challenge but on a tear gas. That's the same thing we do to Engzinza King, you know. On a tear gas in the car and then because she talk out for your right, on turn around and trim off her locks. Now when we look on all them type of things where we really go on in our country, that's the whole reason why we want a change, you know. We do want a change. We 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 want this thing to change. We can't constantly keep on going on like that all the time. It have to stop. It's just stopping have to put to it. Right? And when me look, when me see this man here now, will come now, right? This man now, God send him from heaven, you know. And God send this a man from heaven now for come talk for the people and come vice with the viceless. Right? Because at the end of the day, nobody is not there to talk to the people. And you have this jackass now in a power. No. Everybody did like this man. But he let us down. He let the country down and he let us down. He don't have no heart for poor people. He don't have no heart for nobody but him and him big friend him and whoever in a power. Now you have people like Minister of Security, Police Commissioner, and I still talk about the Governor General. Uno not do nothing, you know. Uno not doing nothing for the people, you know. Me telling you a long time, say hijack the country, uno make up and hijack the country, but somebody go take it from uno. Somebody gonna take it away from uno. Right? Because uno no got no use for nice Jamaica, you know. Uno no have no use for nice Jamaica. Jamaican have a word for say, cow never know the use until they fly take it. No. Me should not trim this girl. Engzinza King and all. No. Nothing can come out of it. Nothing, absolutely nothing. The country, the people, the public, the Rasta community now hear nothing. Them now get no answer. Them don't know nothing where I go on. If anybody asks a question, you probably want to kill them. You're not doing nothing, absolutely nothing for no country. You want to live big life. All you not do is live big life. You see what you have your minister do? I keep champagne party and turn around and a boss. And then they want to turn around again and still reinstate him. Nobody never hold responsible for nothing yet in this country. Nobody, absolutely nobody, want to run off the people off of the street and put tourists on the street. And think to say that's okay. That's fine. And all the tourists them even upset because they couldn't even get enjoy weed. Wish me say it already in a one video. But you see, what me see now do and what the world see now do is wrong. It's definitely wrong. Now, you trim off this girl here, and all I know you can't harass this policewoman. But you turn around and go move this man the other day and demonstrate for the people them. Right? You disrespect the man, you disrespect the pastor, and you turn around again and disrespect this man again. So what is in the plan? What you really hope to? Jamaica want back the country now. We do want it back. We want it back from you now. And Mr. Prime Minister, you ain't doing nothing besides walking around and showing off and have big talk. Now, me soon have some police girl out there, they are dance with them rifle them on. And it seems to me like we not penalize them. Because we not talk about conduct of code of conduct and uniform and all that type of thing there. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Because that is just a release of stress. Them out there doing the job. But you know what me think? True, she probably not sleep, we don't know. That's the whole reason why. Like with this woman now, where trim the girl. She sleep with somebody. Yeah, she going out with somebody. Because that's what I do when I go to each other. So she have some link up top where it's big. And that's the whole reason why she's there today. Because somebody's there sticking up for her. And me see uno fire and punish police will do lesser thing than that already. No, you violate. Your officer violate. And you can't make an example out of her. You protect her, you guide her, you give her security. I can bet you have some DC sitting on her door at night time. Yeah, I can bet you have a M16 leaning up in her house. Yeah, because she have some protection. She do have some protection. So now protect her until you soon you say she resign and go on a foreign. Because that's all I know doing. That's what you do all the time. Is go a foreign, is go abroad. When you go abroad all the time, when you mess up in your country, when you go abroad. Right? Now, when you chin this girl, and I know the policeman still is there working. Right? Me see one of the minister disrespect police officer, big superintendent as well, and call him, look a boy, this boy come talk to me, and this boy come this. I mean now have this no more and this. So wanna call all of that now. Kangaroo, wanna call all of that. What is that all about? That's when I go treat people. But I want to ask my Jamaican people, when they say all the Jamaican people when they're abroad, me ask them please support this party here. Because God put this man in place. Support this party here. We want a change. And all of you with they're abroad and overseas. You find some way to go out there. Find some way because son I love Jamaica. You find some way to go out there. Flitters Boss and the whole of who over England and the whole of with the America. Jamaican call us and the whole of who send video to Unstoppable. You find a way to make sure so you promote this thing here, you know. Make sure you promote this thing and people who want contact Unstoppable to find the link for this man. I'm share it out and give it to you now. We need to support this party. I never voted, but this is the time when we have to leave England and go vote. So all of who so they are England and America and different countries, whatever country they no heart still in Jamaica because everybody will leave your country, them heart out there. So you find a way enough to go out there, go make sure say numerate and get yourself in position for when voting time come and go out there, you know. Because no fun just their brother talk and watch where I go on, but you must support this party here. All I want to overseas, and all I want to find a way to send £1 and $1 to support this party here that can get support because them just a come, them young.
Alright, more to talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.